We're diving into the art of creating beautiful solar prints using natural elements. Let's get started. Arrange all your necessary elements: a piece of cardboard or plain timber, acrylic sheet, solar print paper, and gather your natural elements such as leaves and flowers. Get creative with your designs. Once you're happy with your arrangement, cover the paper with a glass pane to keep the objects in place during exposure. Take your setup outside and place it under direct sunlight. The exposure time may vary depending on the intensity of sunlight and the desired outcome. After the exposure time, carefully remove the acrylic glass panel and thoroughly rinse the paper with water to stop the chemical reaction. Allow your print to dry completely. And there you have it. Experiment with different plants and compositions to create unique and beautiful prints.